Clustering notes is always a very time-consuming part, which kinda takes the wind out of your sails when you're facilitating a workshop. So imagine you've just run an ideation session or perhaps a user test session with multiple participants taking notes. You might end up with a Miro board looking something like this. It's a complete mess and you kinda want to group together the same ideas. So there's a brand new feature currently in beta, which is called clustering. If I open it up, I select clustering, I'll zoom out, and I'll select these post-it notes. So these are the ones that I actually want to cluster. I click confirm, and Miro now asks me, which post-its do you want to use as a starting point? I select this one, and based on the text in the post-it note, the AI makes suggestions like, hey, these notes might be similar to the one that you've selected. I click gather all, and they're now gone. Forever! Nah, just kidding. They grouped it over here in a fancy cluster.